Functional endoscopic sinus surgery has changed tremendously over the last 20 years. There's no more packing, patients are able to go home breathing, and within a week, patients feel significantly better than they have in years. The recovery for functional endoscopic sinus surgery is about a week's worth of feeling like you have a really bad head cold. A little bit of runny nose, a little bit of sinus pressure, nothing unbearable. For most patients, it's actually not that much different than the symptoms they've had all these months or years leading up to the surgery. But after a week, patients are back feeling much better, breathing better, exercising, living their life just a lot better than they were before the surgery. The most common call I'll get after sinus surgery is a complaint of pressure that patients feel. It just feels like you have a really bad head cold. Unfortunately, there's no perfect medication for it, but we try with a combination of different medications to control the patient's complaints. Luckily, it's only short-lived, a few days, but the results of the surgery last a lifetime.